Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best protein powders for muscle building that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or something premium to boost your gains, you'll find something here that fits your needs. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At rank number 5, we have the Muscle Protein Whey Powder from Colossal Labs. This is the most premium option on our list, and it's designed for serious athletes and gym goers who demand exceptional quality and quantity. With an impressive 12-pound pack, this protein powder delivers 25 grams of pure protein and 6.6 grams of BCAAs per serving, making it an excellent choice for muscle repair and building lean mass. The cold-filtered whey ensures optimal purity, while the strawberry flavor adds a refreshing twist to your post-workout shake. The build quality is solid, with a secure lid-sealed container that ensures freshness even for long-term use. The powder dissolves easily in water or milk, making it versatile for shakes and recipes. However, the sheer size of the container might be intimidating for casual users or those with limited storage space. Performance-wise, the Muscle Protein Whey Powder excels in delivering amino acids and nutrients that are critical for recovery and growth. It's particularly suited for athletes and those engaged in high-intensity training. While the value is undeniable due to the large quantity, the $129.99 price tag makes it less accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Pros include high protein content, BCAAs, and versatility. On the downside, the price and container size might be overkill for beginners, ideal for serious lifters who need consistent, high-quality protein supplementation. Taking the number 4 spot is the Pro JIM Tahitian Vanilla Protein Powder by JIM Supplement Science. This protein powder stands out for its unique blend of whey protein isolate, micellar casein, milk protein isolate, and egg white protein. Scientific studies back up this combination, showing it to be superior for muscle building compared to standard whey protein alone. With 24 grams of protein per serving and a perfect ratio of 50% casein, 40% whey, and 10% egg protein, it's an excellent choice for maximizing muscle growth. The design is sleek, and the powder itself is incredibly versatile. Whether you mix it with water, milk, or almond milk, Pro JIM delivers a smooth texture and delicious Tahitian vanilla flavor. The packaging is compact and easy to store, making it convenient for daily use. In terms of performance, the blend of fast, medium, and slow digesting proteins ensures sustained protein synthesis. Which is ideal for recovery and endurance during workouts. One downside is the lack of pricing information, which makes it hard to gauge its affordability. Additionally, it's not entirely free from artificial ingredients, which may be a concern for those seeking an ultra-clean protein source. Pros include the scientifically balanced formula, great taste, and versatility. Cons involve potential pricing concerns and non-organic components. Which is ideal for recovery and endurance during workouts. One downside is the lack of pricing information, which makes it hard to gauge its affordability. Additionally, it's not entirely free from artificial ingredients. Pros include the scientifically balanced formula, great taste, and versatility. Which product is best for recovery and endurance during workouts? In terms of performance, the blend of fast, medium, and slow digesting proteins ensures sustained protein synthesis. It's a well-balanced formula, great taste, and versatility. Cons involve potential pricing concerns and non-organic components. It's perfect for intermediate and advanced users who want a well-rounded protein solution. It's perfect for intermediate and advanced users who want a well-rounded protein solution. Anyway, it's perfect for intermediate and advanced users who want a well-rounded protein solution. At number 3, we have the Muscle Milk Genuine Protein Powder in the strawberries and creme flavor. Known for its NSF Certified for Sport label, this protein powder is a safe and reliable option for athletes concerned about banned substances. With 32 grams of protein per serving, it provides a solid dose for muscle recovery and growth. It also contains only 3 grams of sugar and delivers essential vitamins like A, C, and D, along with calcium for overall health support. The design is compact, and the powder dissolves effortlessly in water, making it great for quick shakes or even as an ingredient in recipes. The strawberries and creme flavor is a standout, offering a sweet and satisfying taste without being overpowering. Performance-wise, Muscle Milk excels in its combination of fast and slow-releasing proteins, ensuring sustained amino acid delivery to fuel muscle repair and maintenance. However, the serving count is relatively low at 13 servings per container, which may not last long for daily users. Additionally, pricing is not disclosed, making it tough to assess its value compared to competitors. Pros include its NSF certification, high protein content, and delicious flavor. Cons involve limited servings and undisclosed pricing. It's a great pick for athletes and casual gym goers alike. Coming in at number 2, we have the Body Fortress 100% Whey Premium Protein Powder in chocolate flavor. This protein powder is power-packed with 60 grams of protein and 12 grams of BCAAs per 2-scoop serving, making it a fantastic option for those who want to train harder and recover faster. It also includes immune-supporting nutrients like vitamin C and D, plus zinc, which is an added bonus for overall health. The container is compact and easy to store, while the powder itself mixes smoothly into water or milk. The chocolate flavor is rich and satisfying, making it a treat to consume post-workout or as a meal supplement. Performance-wise, the amino acid profile delivers excellent results for muscle repair and growth, and the absence of gluten and aspartame ensures a cleaner nutritional profile. One potential drawback is the relatively low serving count, 18 per container, which might not last long for regular users. Pricing is also undisclosed, which could be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. Pros include high protein and BCAA content, great taste, and immune support. Cons involve limited servings and unknown pricing. It's a solid choice for those who prioritize a high-protein formula with added health benefits. Finally, at number 1, we have the Jacked Factory Authentic ISO Grass-Fed Whey Protein Isolate Powder. This budget-friendly option offers exceptional quality at just $39.99, making it accessible to nearly everyone. With 25 grams of protein per serving, sourced from ultra-pure grass-fed whey protein isolate, this powder is designed for rapid absorption and easy digestion. It's perfect for kickstarting recovery right after workouts or as a clean protein source anytime during the day. The design and build quality are excellent, with a sleek container and powder that mixes effortlessly into water or milk. The cookies and cream flavor is a standout feature, offering a delicious and indulgent taste without any added sugar or fillers. Performance-wise, it's light on the stomach and free from bloating or gas, which often comes with lower quality whey powders. Manufactured in a CGMP-certified facility, you can trust that this product meets stringent quality standards. The only drawback might be the smaller container size, which might not last as long for frequent users. However, given the price point and high-quality ingredients, this is a minor concern. Pros include affordability, clean ingredients, and great taste. Cons involve smaller servings per container. This is the top pick for anyone looking for a high-quality, budget-friendly protein powder that doesn't compromise on performance. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.